Once upon a time in a cozy little cottage lived a curious child named Pip. Pip was always full of wonder and excitement, exploring every nook and cranny of his house. One day, while playing hide-and-seek with his pet cat, Whiskers, Pip stumbled upon a mysterious door hidden behind a dusty old bookshelf. "Wow, Whiskers, look what I found!" exclaimed Pip, his eyes wide with amazement. Whiskers purred in curiosity as Pip turned the rusty knob and pushed open the door. To their astonishment, they found themselves in a magical kingdom filled with shimmering castles, talking animals, and colorful gardens. "Golly gee, Whiskers, this is incredible!" exclaimed Pip, marveling at the sights before him. As they explored the enchanted kingdom, Pip and Whiskers met all sorts of fantastical creatures. There were friendly fairies who danced in the moonlight, mischievous elves who played pranks in the forest, and wise old wizards who brewed potions in their towers. But amidst all the wonder and excitement, Pip couldn't help but notice something strange. The once vibrant kingdom seemed to be losing its magic, withering away like a wilting flower. "We must do something to help," declared Pip, determination shining in his eyes. With Whiskers by his side, Pip set out on a quest to find the source of the kingdom's fading magic. Along the way, they encountered challenges and obstacles, but they never lost hope. Finally, they reached the heart of the kingdom, where they found a lonely old gnome named Grumblebum. "What seems to be the trouble, Grumblebum?" asked Pip, his voice filled with compassion. Grumblebum sighed and explained how the kingdom's magic had been dwindling ever since its inhabitants stopped believing in the power of kindness and friendship. "But fear not, young lad," said Grumblebum, a twinkle of hope in his eyes. "With your pure heart and noble spirit, you can help restore the magic to our kingdom." Pip nodded bravely, and with Whiskers by his side, spread kindness and joy wherever they went. They helped their newfound friends mend broken friendships, reconcile old grudges, and rediscover the beauty of the world around them. And as they did, the kingdom began to flourish once more, its colors brighter and its spirits lifted. As they bid farewell to their magical friends and stepped back through the secret door, Pip couldn't help but feel a sense of pride and fulfillment. "Remember, Whiskers," said Pip as they returned home to their cottage, "no matter where life takes us, kindness and friendship will always lead the way." And with that, Pip and Whiskers continued their adventures, knowing that the magic of their hearts would always guide them home.